All right, welcome to Wig Making 101. This video is just a quick overview of what the online courses look like. So when you're here at the home page, you may be asked to put in your email to get updates to new live courses and things like that. You can do that if you have not done that. Otherwise, you can close it out. And on your desktop or your laptop, you would go to Watch Courses, and you will notice that there is a drop-down menu of all of the courses that are offered here in Wig Making 101. So the ideal thing is to go to the student home page, but if you want to view what's going on in any of these courses, you are definitely able to do so. If you are on your mobile device, you would be doing the exact same thing. You'll just go to Watch Courses, and when you click on that, it would send you right to the student home page. So going back to the desktop view, you'll see here that when I go to student home page, you would have to log in. So log in with your email and your password. If you do not have one, you would need to sign up. This is free to everyone. And this is what the student home page looks like. So there is a welcome video for all students, current and non, so you'll know how to navigate through the home page. You can click on any of these menu items to go straight to updates, live course schedule, wig making courses, and to get your certification, which starts January the 15th. When you continue to scroll, if you do not use any of these menu items, I'll give you a quick view of what it looks like on your mobile device. As you can see here, those items are here too for you to go directly to them. When you scroll, you will notice that it's asking you to join the community. And this is a community of custom wig makers, stylists, hair loss practitioners, and anyone else that's involved or interested in the wig making or hair industry. You join to that whenever you are ready. So we're going to go back to the home page again on the desktop. You can watch monthly updates. I do monthly updates every month, every first Saturday of the month. You can also see that these are the live scheduled courses. We just finished a January update. All you have to do is click on this and it would send you directly to the video. All of the others will be linked to actual live courses. So this is the live course for the month of January. There may be more added to this list, so you would have to come and see the updates or make sure you're a part of the community or the email list to get those updates if there are new courses coming in. Business courses are every last Sunday of the month. So the first one for the year will be January the 26th. And as you continue to scroll through, you will see that these are the courses that are offered here on Wig Making 101. If you're on your mobile device, same thing. All you have to do is scroll down. You'll see everything is kind of laid out the exact same way, and you can go to any of the courses that you would like to see. So if we're on the desktop, as you can see, wig making courses are the first set of courses. There's color and styling wig courses, specialty wig making, and medical wig making, which is coming in April 2020. So you are able to view these now to see what's in those courses, current student or not. Just understand that there are certain aspects of the courses that you may not have access to if you are not a current student. As of right now in the wig making courses, these are the 3 courses offered within that curriculum in the master course. Wig making tools and making wigs by hand are free to you, but the sewing machine wig courses are not. All you have to do is just click on that course if you're a current student or not, and it will send you to this page if you are a current student, and it gives you an idea of how I have organized and how I teach. Most courses are live. Some are pre-recorded, and they're in order based off the skill and what you need to know to actually produce particular wigs. So there's step 1, there's step 2, there's step 3, and then there are more videos teaching you how to, do other aspects of wigs using different types of caps, and also wig making tips and tricks, any kind of troubleshooting skills that you may need to know, how to use your sewing machine. All of those different things are within this course. So if I go back to the home page of the wig making courses, we can go to Wig Color and Style so that you can see what's offered. There are descriptions there for you to see so you'll understand what's being offered. These two courses are fairly new and they will be coming this year. Wig styling is here. All you have to do is click on it. And same thing, it's organized in order of what you need to know, tools, how to prep your cap for cutting and styling, how to do specific or most popular things that you need to know with lace closures, how to set apart, how to do a fringe bang, how to cut curly hair, bob cuts, pixie cuts, and there will be more added to this because this is lifetime access to you. So just know when you're here on this site, you can click on any of these and get an idea of what is being taught in these courses. Just know you'll have to sign in if you have not already. Have created an account with me. You're going to have to do that. And this is just giving you an overview of what courses are going to be offered. And just know you are allowed to get your wig certification through me. That doesn't start until January the 15th. And last but not least, just so you guys get an understanding of how the online courses work mobile, just know you have to go to watch courses, and whatever perspective thing you want to learn, wig making tools, it'll send you right to where you want to go, or wig making courses, sends you where you want to go, and you can view exactly what's offered in each of these particular courses. So just wanted to give you guys an update or an overview of what the courses look like. If you're interested in taking any of the courses, just go to enroll and enroll in online courses, and I will see you in class.